Jason here at Emergency Fleet Service. We got our hands on the all new under mirror puck light. Excuse the mess on my bench. We're in the middle of an install right now, but I wanted to get this video out. So I'm gonna go through some of the patterns with you and some of the ways to change the patterns. I'm sure Feniex already put it out there, but I figure I'll do it also. Alright, so right now I have it set on steady burn on mode 1. I'm trying to do this one-handed, so bear with me. Alright, there's dim. There's our puddle light. So the puddle light is going to take one of the mode wires. So if you're only using 2 modes, you can use the third one for your puddle light. If you're using all 3 modes like we're going to be on this install, then we're not going to use the puddle light. Alright, so this is going to be a single color flash. This is a tricolor, red, white, and blue puck. So to change the patterns, it's going to be blue to the ground, just like your standard fusion surface mounts and cannons. The green wire is going to be your color change, and I believe that goes to positive. So now it's cycling through the white, blue, and it'll jump. It'll do all colors individually, and then 2 colors. It'll cycle through all the sets of 2, and then it'll go through all 3 colors. Right, there's red, white, red, blue, and then blue, white, I believe. Now it should go to all 3. And it's just like every other light. Wherever you set it and leave it, that's where it stays. And then you can cycle through all the flash patterns. It's going to have the new firmware, just like the fusion surface mounts and the new cannons. It's really a bright light. It's hard to get it in the video. Everything looks bright in videos, but I was pretty surprised in how bright it is. It's a lot more low profile than the competitor out there. It's a pretty nice light. I'll give it to him. Then you're still gonna have your mode overrides, your mode 2 here. Go over to mode 3. It's pretty much a cannon with the extra wire to change between the different colors. Instead of having to cycle through every single pattern on every combination of colors you want, they made it a little bit easier and made that green wire to only switch through the colors, and then the blue wire for the patterns. Give us a couple hours and I'll get y'all a video of this Tahoe we're doing right here. This is probably going to be the first vehicle ever with Feniex puck lights on it. If you need to order any Feniex equipment, you can go on the web, www.myledsource.com, or you can give the shop a call. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the Tahoe.